To solve these type of problems, we have to first see which is the amount which is given in the value rupees. Okay, so fixed cost is given here and we have to consider this and to find out all other things. We know that fixed cost is equal to BEP sales into PV ratio. So fixed cost is 5 lakhs. Fixed cost is 5 lakhs. We don't know BEP sales, so just we are writing the same. PV ratio that given as 40%. So 5 lakh divided by 40% is equal to BEP sales. So BEP sales is equal to 12,50,000. Okay. Now the second thing is total sales. We know the BEP sales, yes or no? So keeping this as the base, BEP sales plus they have given the margin of safety, yes or no? So margin of safety. So total sales is equal to BEP is 12,50,000 and plus margin of safety they have given us 37.5% of the total sales. So that is 12,50,000 plus 0.375 total sales. Total sales is equal to 12,50,000 plus 0.375 total sales. So total sales minus 0.375 total sales is equal to 12,50,000. Okay. So that will be 0.625. That is equal to 0.625 is equal to 625 total sales is equal to 12,50,000. Okay. So total sales, this is 1, no? 1 minus 0.375 will be 0.625 total sales is equal to 2,50,000. Total sales is equal to 12,50,000 divided by 0.625. So total sales is equal to 20 lakhs. That's it. The third one is to find variable cost. Now we have found the total sales. Okay, and they have also said that they have also mentioned that contribution to sales is 40%. Therefore, variable to sales will be 60%. Yes or no? So using this we will find the variable cost. Variable cost is equal to 60% of sales. Therefore, 60% of 20 lakhs. That is 1 lakh, 12 lakhs. Sorry, 12 lakhs. The next question is to find out the profit. Profit is equal to sales minus cost. Sales are 20 lakhs and the cost will be fixed cost plus variable cost. Okay, fixed cost they have already mentioned that fixed cost is 5 lakhs and the variable cost we have found out is 12 lakhs. 20 lakhs minus 17 lakhs will be 3 lakhs. The fifth question is, if the sales is increased by 7.5%, so what is the new margin of safety? They are asking. So now the the normal sales is 20 lakhs. Okay, 20 lakhs into 7.5% is equal to, so that comes to 21,50,000. So margin of safety is equal to new sales minus BEP sales. So new sales is equal to 21,50,000 minus 12,50,000 is the BEP sales. That comes to 9 lakhs. So the new margin of safety when the sales are increased by 7.5% is 9 lakhs. That's all.